I want you to count how many times i-Chiefs had the chance to clear the ball. Ne? Bayawina first time, second time, abalwini. Na okay, la ilaphi iball sharp. Siyanikana, nika. Now, here, there's no need for uMarco ukuthi aphase ibhola bese ayagijima la. No, there's no need. That's why ngithi i-Chiefs prefer uMcCarthy than uMarco. And we can't blame uMarco. That's his strength. Ufundiswe kanjalo ukuthi kumele attack. He passes the ball, he goes back. We lose the ball. Remember, this is uSerino. Serino is not a defender. Umbheke uSerino ukuthi wenzani. He goes to press. Badlala la. Phakathi. Inside. That's why i-technical team ifuna uMcCarthy imdlalise laphaya, because he doesn't go forward. And the past 3 games, i-Kaizer Chiefs conceded a goal from losing the ball in the middle. Against Stellenbosch, last week against Al Masry, yes, and against Zamalek. You do not lose the ball in the middle.